Dalawa kong pinsan, kanina pa ako ini-ignore. Tignan nyo, ginagawa. Oh, look. Look at this too. Look. They keep ignoring me. Even earlier, just like that, they just keep playing, ignoring me. They don't know what they doing this on the purpose to hurt my feelings. It's supposed to be Christmas, but they keep doing this. I think they plan it to keep ignoring me. Look, I think they doing this on the purpose. They plan this. I feel it. I think they planning this. Kaya siguro pinasama ako dito for Christmas. But I think they planning for me. They planning to keep ignoring me. Look. What are they doing? Look. They just keep ignoring me. Look. I'm not even lying. I'm not even kidding. I'm not even joking. Look. They keep something like that. Tignan nyo guys. Tignan nyo yung ginagawa ng dalawa oh. It's supposed to be Christmas. I think pinano nila itong ginawa. I think pinano nila gawin to para sa akin. I think pinano nila gawin to para i-complete ignoring ako. Look. Nice. Siguro bago mag-Christmas, i-post ko kaya to sa YouTube. My cousins ignoring me. Post ko kaya to sa YouTube, no? Look, they complete doing it to me. They plan this. I think they plan it to ignore me. Look. After
dito na lang, di ba?
After ko silang ilibre dalawa, in-ignore na nila ako ng tuluyan. Yun lang pala yung habon nila sa akin, libre. Kasi ignore na nila ako complete. Wow. Nahiya naman ako. Pagkatapos ko silang ilibre ng dalawa, ignore na nila.